Freedom Skatepark come like a life to me.
So come on and check out this channel, Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, thank you.
Wagwan IAJ TV fans, IAJ TV fans. Now we're there. We're there. St. Thomas Bull Bay. And this is what we're at. The Freedom Skatepark and community center people. And guess how we're going to show you guys what time it is. It's actually a skate park. You know, Skateland. I'm aware if you guys are going to show you what time it is here at Skate Park in St. Thomas. Alright people, so we're there. I'm on a Freedom Skatepark and community center people and see what's taking place. Now, I don't know. Basically after 5-6 o'clock in the evening. Guys, yeah man, I'll show you guys what time it is. So yeah man, this park was built in Andre Wildfiyah. People, so let's go. Let's check it out. Let's see what it is, people. So there, let me see.
Daddy. Okay. No, for sure. Everybody know for sure. You never know.
People and coming in is over that side. Check out. Oh, I want on the skate park, people.
Jump off of that. Come on. Jump off of it. No, not that way there. Not that way there. No, you're not then.
You want to hear it, Lucy? You want to skip? So, Nisi, you want to try it? You want to try it, Nisi? Hey, my name, you want to try it? guys, so definitely check out the Freedom Skatepark in Bull Bay, St. Thomas people and Community Center. The football field is right next door. Skatepark is here, so it's not too far from Kingston. People, so we're there with two of the youngsters them at the skate park. Oh my God. And you want them introduce themselves, yeah?
Good night. Freedom Skatepark come like a life to me. When I first come here, it was Bala and the other guys them over there teach me how to skate. First time I went here, I didn't know to skate and I asked them to help me. And they did help me, and then so I'm here right now skating right now. I get better and better every day. I come here almost every Saturday and Sunday to learn and come to the class.
So how long now you skate?
2 years now.
2 years now?
Yeah.
And when you living in the community?
No, I live right up there.
Like walking distance?
Yeah.
Okay, so that encourage every youth to come and check out the skate park.
And
learn to skate and things like that.
Yeah, come to classes and then.
Okay. Alright, So them have classes first?
Yeah, them have classes, Saturday classes.
Okay.
Teach people how to skate, teach instruments, and yeah.
Okay, so it's more than just skating. So you have like a community center like type of vibe. So them teach a different stuff.
Yeah.
Alright then, cool. So what's your name?
Tyreek Davis.
Tyreek Davis. Alright, people. So go on up to walk on if you know Tyreek. People, so there now with Janai again, people, and Janai. I don't know, I'm going to show you a few of what I'm learning. So, this is what I'm going to put Janai. What you know, Jay?
They come out.
Alright, respect na Jay. Guys, Denise and M&M checking out what's going on. Skatepark. Oh, we have one of the young for them. I'll go do it. Fly up. Alright, beautiful.
Yo, come on, buddy, man. I can't do it.
Break.
again. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the gas, I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again.
What's your name? Trevon. Yeah, skate. Alright, my boy. So you finished skating, matey? Wall the back. Wall the back. Wall the back. Where the back? Yeah. Ready? Okay. Go on. Put up a foot, Nancy. Let's start with thing first.
Daddy, come and push. Come and do that.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on, you know. Ready? Take up your hand. Put your hand on the board.
Daddy, come and do something. We can't count now. Again. I want.
Yes, IJT TV fans now. Now that's been a good day. You don't know. Them and Nisi enjoy themselves. Them do what them can on the skateboard. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. IAJT TV. It's a Jamaican thing TV. Now you don't know, showcase everything authentic Jamaica. And this is authentic Jamaica. Freedom Skatepark and Community Center that's in Bullby, St. Thomas people. So definitely come on down and check it out for yourself.